Hey, I'm Maria and this is Organise My Life. Today we're at IKEA where I'm going to show you my favourite buys and finds perfect for your pantry, laundry or anywhere in your house basically. If you haven't already subscribed, hit the subscribe button so you can follow my channel. I release a video every Sunday. Let's go shopping.
'Cause your heart's made of gold, but don't wait till you're old. If you want it, I'll get you some.
These are fantastic to put in your pantry and in fact even in some of your cupboards where you can put like cottons and things like that inside, but they're really cute. Pull out, you can put some labels on the front as well, use them for tea, coffee, you could even put some of your spices in here as well. Yeah, love these. These caddies are absolutely awesome. People use them in the kitchen but also in their bathrooms as well, or even if you've got a large pantry you can pop them in your pantry as well. They're on wheels and really easy to maneuver, and as you can see this has got lots of things in, so even great for using for kids, pencils, having a bit of a stationery station going on. So yeah, really inexpensive, but I love these and they come in different colours too.
With me, I know you deserve
So they class these as a washing up bowl. These are called the Grundvattnet. They're $13. They're like a pale grey colour. I use these underneath my sink because they go all the way back, and I've been really pleased with them. Some great ideas in here of what can be used for storage. Loads of different types of containers, but I draw my eye to the Verriera box. I use the Verriera all the time. They are so cheap. They look beautiful with some black labelling on the front. Hopefully I'll see these soon and I can show you them in more detail. So I am in Verriera heaven here. These tubs are absolutely fantastic. So you can have them this way round, put the labelling on, or you can have them this way round and put the labelling on as well. They're really useful and come in a few different sizes as well. Now for the kids' rooms, they also have black inserts and green inserts, so they're really flexible and versatile. The Lazy Susan, this is the Snudder and is $15. The Snudder is absolutely fantastic for putting in your pantry. You can put all your sauces and whatever you want on here, and turning it around, so great use of corners. But yeah, I use this one quite a lot. Coming into Marketplace, my favourite bit. So the key to a perfect wardrobe is to have matching hangers. These are really inexpensive. They're $10 for an 8-pack, but everything always looks so pretty when it's all matching. So they do these in white, and also you can see they do in the timber look too. Those hangers, William? Yeah?
It's so colourful.
They are so colourful, aren't they? Great for kids' bedrooms. So this is the Trofast. They also do this one in white, and you can get different coloured containers as well. These are great for kids' toy rooms. You can put labels on the front. It's also great for a lounge room if you haven't got space for a toy area, because you can change these tubs around and maybe keep some in your garage and just keep swapping them out for your kids all the time. But yeah, these are fantastic. These glass canisters are super popular with my clients, and they also do them in 2 sizes, and they're $6 and $7, so they're quite inexpensive. I love the Saxaborga. They are cork. They are quite easy to take off though, but they just look so pretty. They're actually for a bathroom, but I think you could easily have these out on display or in your pantry even. How cute are these? These are the Risotop. They're around $15 and they come in gold and they come in red, and I also think they come in black too. Really beautiful, but they are on the smallish side, so unless you're going to be putting potatoes in one, oranges in another, for example, you're not going to fit a lot inside these. If you haven't already tried them, try the serviettes from IKEA. They are amazing and really economical. This is a great system for garages, all matching containers in this wooden unit, and you can quite easily see what's inside them, but you could almost label them too if you wanted to. You can see them again here, all uniform, looks amazing and great in a garage. So can you see these magazine files at the top? I use these in my pantry to store like Mexican box wrap kits, or even just the actual tortilla wraps themselves, because they stand upright and they look really neat in your pantry. So you can turn them around and you can put some labeling on the front of them as well, and they look really nice. These are fantastic for recycling. They've got a great lid, and then you can stack them. So you could have maybe one for recycled bottles that you can do returning in, and then you could just have one for maybe for all your cardboard. But these are excellent and fit really well in a pantry too. How cute are these little caddies? I mean, you don't just have to put tomato ketchup and things like that in them. You can actually put kids' pencils in there, or you could put a few cleaning things and keep them upstairs if you've got a 2-story house. Just convenient for everything. I don't use a lot of Ziploc bags because I'm trying to reduce plastic waste, but these are seriously the best ones you can buy. They're rewashable, really thick, and you can use them time and time again. And for a 60 pack, they're around $3. And a trip to IKEA wouldn't be complete without a hot dog at the end. Is it yummy?
Yeah.